The CE 6 kilowatt steam generator offers an exceptional steam experience with its innovative dual tank technology, ensuring a smooth and consistent flow of steam. With its waterproof digital control, you can easily adjust the temperature to your desired range between 95 and 131 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a personalized, spa-like experience. This steam generator's compact design allows for versatile installation in small spaces, such as vanities or closets, making it a convenient addition to any bathroom setup. Its auto-drainage function eliminates the need for manual draining and ensures quick steaming and warming up within 3 to 5 minutes. Certified with CE and ISO 9001, 2000, this unit is equipped with safety features like water shortage and overheat protection, ensuring a safe and reliable operation. The automatic water inlet and drainage system effectively removes water and limescale 15 minutes after each use, maintaining a clean and efficient performance.